Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an oil change on this 2021 Hyundai Sonata. So if your Sonata look like this, it doesn't matter if it's 2020 or 2024 or 5. Once it look like this, it's going to be the same procedure. And the oil it takes is going to be 0W20 full synthetic. So go ahead and take that cap off. You don't have to do that, it's just to have the oil flow out a little bit easier with less vacuum in the engine, but it's not a must. You can leave the cap on however you choose. After that, you want to go ahead and lift the car up in the air. So I'm going to raise the car up in the air and get underneath it. You can do it on the ground. Once you can fit underneath the car, you have to jack it up a little bit. So underneath the car is cover off, but you're going to have two service door, one right here for the oil filter and another one back here for where you drain your oil. So get a clip puller to get up in there. This one don't work, so I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver or the other type of clip puller. Alright, so we have this. Can see somebody break that one already. Alright, we'll get that out. So we just got to squeeze this right here, bring this down, and you will see your oil filter right there. So we want to come back here for the drain plug, do the same thing. Link will be in the description for this tool in case you're wondering where to get something like this. And then we're going to need to remove 1, 2 10mm to take this off. So guys, hopefully you can hear me. Compressor don't want me to be great, so this is what we gotta do. And now we have access to this right here. Should be 17mm, but we're gonna go ahead and see what it is. So guys, it's 17mm, which we have right here. I already take it loose. You can see the washer on it, so just inspect your washer. This one look okay, so I'm not gonna change it. And if it needs to be changed, you can just change yours if it needs to be changed, as well as you can just look at it and say, okay, it look good. All right, so I'm gonna give it one more use, so the next oil change I will change it. So you can do it like that. Okay, that's one way to do it. 17mm, let it drain. So guys, the next step is to put back the drain plug. Tighten it up to spec, and then we're going to come around in the front and we're going to take out this part right here, and it's going to be an 8mm Allen key. So this is to drain the oil a little bit so you don't make any mess. So let's do that. So you want to drain the oil from the filter a little bit so you don't make any mess, guys. Alright, so let that drain out some, then we can remove the big filter after that finish drain out. So once we drain it, just put this back in. And then we need to remove the housing for the oil filter. So guys, what it take is gonna be 27mm to take that loose. So get our 27mm. I already loosened it, it was tighter than that. That's why I have such a big thing on it. It was tighter than that. So because we do it that way, we don't need to pull tight on it. But this is the filter. Let me get the other filter to show you what comes in the box. So guys, we have the filter right here. We're gonna pull this out like this. Put that right there. drain it out. In here have this kind of rubber in here, and it should come with the new filter, so let's throw it out. You have a little lip on it, so the lip's gonna be at the top where you can hold, put a pliers or use a finger and hold it and pull on it. So guys, we have the filter right here. That's the part number, hope you can see it. So that's the part number right there. So this little thing to drain the oil filter housing. This right here, also we have a new washer, so we're going to change our washer. And now we have this right here, the filter. I already cleaned this too, so I guess it goes anyway, it doesn't matter which way it goes, so that doesn't matter. Snap that into place. This, we just gotta rip it open. So once we get that open, remember the lip gotta stay up. So guys, just put it back like this. Just to make, I'm just looking in it because it's my first time doing one of these, just to make sure we don't miss anything. Alright, so the lip gotta stay up. Alright, so the lip is up, filter on. This we go take this off and change it with the other one that we have right here, but I'm gonna wait till I have it in the car to do that. So let's get to it. So it's plastic, guys, so don't over tighten it. You can see the torque spec right here to torque it if you want, or you can judge it, whichever you do, that's you. So now it's time to, what's up bro? So now it's time to take this piece off right here. Get the new one. Install it. It also have it torque spec at the bottom right here too, so if you want to go by that, or you can tighten it up, but just snug it up, don't over tighten it. So guys, now we're done with that part, so what we got to do is put back this piece right here, clip it in, and we're gonna put back our clip. So we put back our clips there. Now we gotta put back this piece right here, and also make sure you tighten this up because I didn't tighten it up, see? So make sure you tighten it up. Always go to double check your work. So now I'm going to tighten this up and put the clips back right here. So guys, time to add the oil. Just put that there and put that anywhere. So let's see how many quarts of oil it takes. So I put 5 quarts in it. Gotta put the cap on. Where's the cap? So I'm gonna start the car so the filter can fill up. It's a little over the full mark with the 5 quart, but I know once the car is start, the filter gonna full. And no, I can't find the key. So we're gonna crank the car up or start the car, depends on where you're from. So yeah, there's no light on the dash, guys. You don't have to fill your filter. You don't, if you want you can, you don't have to. It's not a big deal. And so let the cars run where the oil circulate throughout the engine, full the filter and full up all that. Then you want to turn the car off, let the car sit for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you recheck your oil to make sure the oil is good. So once the oil set, you just wipe this off right here. So the reason why the 2 to 3 minutes is to let the oil drain back in the oil can, and then you can pull it up and let it drain back. So it's still draining, you can see it going all the way down, but it's still draining, so I gotta wait. So guys, actually, get the light off. Actually, it take oil change including oil filter is 5.2 liter, 1.4 US gallon, and then you have 5.5 US quart. So I guess I gotta put 5.5 quart. I already put 5 quart already, but that don't work, so I gotta add some more in it and go by from there. So guys, I didn't put the other one in it, so let me see where that's now. So you can see the oil level rising up by just let the oil drain back down. So we're at halfway, so I'm gonna put the other half quart in it. So put 5 quart in it, start the engine, let it circulate, and then you wanna let it sit for a while and then check it again, see where it's at, and go from there. So that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time. So guys, we're gonna change the filter also, the engine air filter. So this way to unlock the filter, hold this and pull it out. You can see a lot of stuff in it. Make sure inside is clean, look clean. Install it that way, lock it back, and there you go. That's how you change your engine oil filter. Alright, so that's it for underneath the hood. Make sure your car not leaking, and then you're good to go.